Hello everyone, this is Rita. Welcome to my channel Rita's Makeup Artistry. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel. Here I will be showing you this wedding guest makeup look. Stay tuned for detailed tutorial. Here I already prepped my skin and now applying orange corrector because I have a little bit of dark circles. And a little bit of pigmentation on my skin. Now I am blending it out with a dumped beauty blender. Today I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade of 128 and applying all over my face. And blending it out gently. This is a medium coverage foundation. You can choose any foundation of your choice. Now I will be using MAC Studio Fix Compact. Now I am filling my brows with PAC Brow Pomade in the shade of dark brown. I'm filling in the gap areas first. And combing it upwards so that it will look natural. Now I am applying shadow base with a concealer. I am using NYX concealer. You can use any of yours. Blending it out gently. I am using Juvia's Charles eyeshadow palette. I will be using a warm brown shade for my crease line and I will be blend it out. And the darker brown shade for outer corner and inner corner. Now I am applying a shimmery shade on top of my eyelid. blending out the harsh lines. Now I am adding some highlighter to my brow bones. I'm using K Beauty eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner and now applying blush on my cheeks and a little bit amount of on my nose. Now I am applying kajal, Lakme Iconic Kajal. I'm applying it on outer corner of my lower lash line and I will be blending it out with a dark. I am blending the kajal with a brown eyeshadow so that it will give me a smoky look. I am almost done with my eye makeup. Now coming to my favorite part, highlighter. I'm using Eye Magic highlighter. I'm using a pink, peachy pink shade of highlighter. I'm not using any golden highlighter. I always use a pink shade of highlighter. I don't use golden highlighter so that it can give me a like a soft glowy look. as my eye makeup is a bit heavy, so I'm using a nude shade of lipstick. Here I am using Miss Clear lipstick in the shade of 58, I guess. I will use a fake eyelash or false eyelash. If you are not comfortable with false lash, you can go with mascara only. In that case, you can use a double coat of mascara. That will give you the false lash look. And now I'm almost done. I'm fixing my makeup with PAC fixing spray. Here is the final look. And how's the look? Please let me know. And if you like my makeup, please do try it, and please tag me on your story. And you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. It's Rita's Makeup Artistry on Instagram, and on Facebook it's Makeover by Rita, and my profile name is Rita Das Shantikari. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials. Bye bye.